Are you ready? Because it's that time of the year again. The Lionsgate portal is open. You're about to get so wealthy. This is such a powerful, energetic portal. So make sure you do this EFT tapping with me every day for the month of August to bring in insane amounts of abundance, prosperity, and wealth in your life. If you want to go deeper, check out Quantum Money Manifesting. It's my tapping bundle to enter the quantum field to receive the wealth that you deserve and desire. I have so many other tapping bundles to magnetize your specific person, to become your hot higher self, and to heal your inner child. So check them out. Make a commitment that in August you are going to invest in yourself, work on yourself, and change your energy and your state to change your life. All right, whenever you're ready, let's start this tapping. Let's start on the eyebrow point. I'm open to the powerful energy of the Lionsgate portal. I am welcoming huge amounts of wealth into my life. I'm aligning myself with the energy of prosperity. And I'm ready to manifest the wealthiest version of myself. The best and hottest version of me. This is a powerful, energetic vortex. And I'm open to receiving unlimited abundance. Not just in the form of money. I'm calling in the right people into my energy field. I declare that I'm always at the right place at the right time. The right opportunities always find me. I am so grateful for all of this abundance coming my way. I am the luckiest person in the entire universe. Yeah, you are. Everything is always working out for my highest good. I am a powerful creator of my reality. I manifest with complete ease. I am so aligned with the energy of abundance and prosperity. The floodgates of wealth is open now. Wealth is overflowing in my life. There is an overflow of money and good things in my life. I am so deserving of all this wealth and abundance. I am a magnet for money, prosperity, and every positive thing. I'm allowing the energy of the Lionsgate portal to assist and enhance my manifestations. I know this Lionsgate portal will amplify everything that I desire. I trust and believe in myself and the universe. I am living as the wealthiest version of me now. I am so grateful for my financial freedom. I'm constantly attracting wealth. All right, you can do that tapping as many times as you'd like during the Lionsgate portal. It usually lasts around 2 weeks. So you can do this tapping the first 2 weeks of August. It will be incredibly powerful to manifest your desires. Thank you so much for tapping. Do not forget to check out the tapping bundles at the top of my page. You can use this Lionsgate portal to manifest your specific person, to heal your inner child, to become your hot higher self, anything. This portal will exhilarate your manifestation. Thank you so much for tapping along. Don't forget to do this more than once, okay? I'll see you next time and follow for more.